Hello friends, Miss Marilyn here, and I have a question. Are you ready to talk about color? In our last video together, you made your very own color wheel. Maybe it looks something like this. Here's my example. And some of you told me last week how much you love to paint and draw. So I thought I would give you a chance to paint or draw your very own color wheel today. I'm going to demonstrate how to do it. Welcome friends to my art space. Here I have lots of art materials right behind me, which is great because we are going to need to use them today. For today's project, you will definitely need a piece of paper. And if you want to use crayons, can you see? Crayons or markers or paint, that is awesome. I am actually going to use these three primary colors today: red, yellow, and blue. And I'm gonna do some color mixing. And if you're gonna paint like me, you're definitely going to need a paintbrush. Since a color wheel is a circle, I'm going to use a circular object in my house to trace. Is this a good size? I think it's a little small. What about this basket? Oh, it's a butterfly. Cute. If I flip it over, I think that's the perfect size. I'm going to trace my circle starting at the top, and tracing means that I take my marker or my pen all the way around, touching, so my pen touches the side. See what I'm doing? I'm creating a line that is the same curve of the line here of my basket. So I'm going to keep going around, keeping my basket in one place. And now we got to switch sides. And I'm going to go up, 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 taking my time. And if you need a grown-up or an older brother or sister to help you with that, that's fine. But I think if you want to try by yourself, that could be fun. All right, let's remove it and see. Woo! Perfect circle. And now a color wheel has one line across, another line across, and one line up and down. So we're gonna make those three lines, trying to make them as straight as we can, not zigzag. No, straight, straight, straight. So first I'm going to make kind of like the letter X. So I'm gonna start up here and I'm gonna go from one side to the other side, like so. Yay, first line done. Now I'm gonna do another line starting here and making my way down here to make an X. So I'm gonna start here. Try to make it straight. Try to make it straight. Great. So I have one line, two lines, and I have to do my final line, which goes up and down. So first line was here, second line was here, like the letter X. And now finally, I go top to bottom, top to bottom. And look, I'm gonna try to go right through the center point, right through the center point and all the way back down. It already looks like a color wheel, yay! The first color I'm gonna do is red. So I am going to put a little bit of red paint in just one triangle. So I'm being careful. I do want to stay inside the lines today as much as possible because our color wheel should be nice and neat. So sometimes I say, get out of the lines, have fun, do whatever you want. Not today. Today, we actually want to stay inside of the line so that our color wheel looks really nice. There we go. All right, first color, done. Now I'm gonna do my next color, which is yellow. Now on the color wheel, it goes red, next to it is orange, right? Like this color. And then here we have yellow. So I'm actually gonna skip orange right now, and I'm gonna do just yellow. So I'm gonna do red and yellow first, trying to paint nice and neat, staying inside the lines if I can. red, yellow, great. Now my third and final color is blue. So red, and then I'm gonna skip, put yellow, then I'm gonna skip, and I'm gonna put blue right here. So let me just put some blue paint in this square. I mean, not a square. It's kind of like a triangle, like a piece of a pie or a piece of pizza. Yummy. Now, to make my color here, which we can tell by the color wheel up here, we're gonna make orange. But I wonder if we can make it ourselves. What happens if we make a red and yellow sandwich? I'm gonna put a dot of red here and a dot of yellow, whoop, maybe a little bit more yellow. So inside this one I have red and yellow, and now I'm gonna mix them together. Whoa, what color am I making? It looks like I just made orange, hooray! So red and yellow make orange. Maybe that's why orange is in the middle of red and yellow. Okay, let's try here. So let's mix together yellow and blue and see what happens when they meet in the middle. So I'm gonna take some yellow. Take some yellow, 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 yellow. All right, and then I'm gonna take some blue next. Let's see what happens. Whoa, it's like magic. What color did I just make? I just made my very own green. Oh my goodness, that is so cool. Okay, and lastly, for our color wheel, we're gonna mix two colors, this color and this color. What happens when they meet in the middle? Well, I think we should find out. So I'm gonna put a drop of red, and I'm also gonna put a drop of blue. Wait, I need a little more blue than that. There we go. Okay, so red and blue, and we're gonna mix them together. Magic! What color did they make? Did you say purple? Yes, this made a really pretty shade of purple. So that is my color wheel. And I made all those colors just mixing red, yellow, and blue. Wow. I'm all finished with my very own color wheel. So maybe you have a space in your house where you like to or make art. So this is my space to make art. I am gonna hang mine up, as I like to do with my artwork, here, so that I can always look at it or make art. So this is my space to make art. I am gonna hang mine up, as I like to do with my artwork, here, so that I can always look at it when I'm making art. That was super fun. And if you'd like to take a photo of your color wheel, you can share it with me on Google Classroom. And I would love to see it. I'll see you next time. Goodbye.